Hi everyone, welcome to Gadsden Freedom Outdoors. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Hey everyone, Dennis here. Alright, today turned out to be a great crabbing day. We got 7 crabs, probably lost about 4 or 5 of them. This is the first one we caught, this is the big one. So we got 7 crabs, good day. So I'm going to do a crab boil, cook and clean for everybody. We got the big pot out, we got the water boiling. We're getting it to boil. Got some olive oil in there. Fresh garlic that I peel and dice up myself. And with this one, we are going to use Old Bay seasoning. Alright, crabs are going in the boiling water. Dump them. Just get it in. Just put them in. So I'm going to film this to show you my son fighting with a crab. Grab his flippers. Grab both of his flippers. Grab that one right there. All you need is one. All you need is one. And this is what happens. The crab wants to play.
Okay.
Just leave it there a second up. Let go. Put them in quick, roll them to suffer. Alright. So we're going to add some fresh garlic. Like I said, we're going to use some Old Bay seasoning this time around. So it'll probably be in here about 10 minutes. I'm going to bring it back to a boil. We're going to cover it. Alright, so it's been on about 15 minutes. I turned off the stove at 10 minutes and let them sit in all the seasoning for an extra 5 minutes. We're going to dump them out, let them cool down. Alright, we're going to clean these crabs. I'm going to show you how I do it. So here is that big crab. I take the claws off first. Same thing, put your finger in front of the flipper. Hold the one right underneath the point. Pull it apart. You're just going to scrape off all the insides here. Now all you got to do here, put a little pressure, bend it, and that's how you get the bottom piece off. We'll break them apart, then we'll give them a quick rinse to get all the dirt off of them. So this here, that's their mouth. Just push it inwards and that pops right up. Very simple. Another nice big crab. There's a lot of meat right in there. There's even meat in the flipper area. You want to be able to rinse all of this out here. A lot of times it'll just come out just like that. I mean, you can even freeze them before you cook them as well. Now if you're gonna freeze these after you cook them, I wouldn't rinse them off. I would do it right after. You don't get that moisture in it when you freeze it. Look at all that meat in there. Alright, so what I do is I take a Tupperware, put paper towels in there, I try and line them up like this, let the water drain out, and to cool down fully before I put them in the fridge or freeze them. Then we'll just take the claws, and we're just going to put the claws right on top. A lot of your meat comes from these claws. Today was a good day. Everybody that joined us on the live, I really appreciate it. Brought me some good luck. Listen, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you'll get more videos like this, more instructional videos, cooking videos, hunting, outdoor videos, cooking, smoking, shooting, instructional on firearms. And if you don't know how to break down a crab, you'll learn how to do that by watching one of our videos. Alright guys, if you like the video, please hit thumbs up for us. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, turn your notification bells on to all so you get notified when we go live and when we upload a new video for you. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. We appreciate each and every one of you.